Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Don't think he's supposed to use that lane to turn left. What can you even do in this situation besides pucker up? Someone has a different idea. What's the point of the giant toe mirrors if you aren't going to use them? While driving back to my building with a set of loaded pup trailers, I won a 2-for-1 idiot special. One speeding and one blindly merging nearly caused a crash. Why did he do that? Looking for opinions on this. This Civic driver tries to pass a pickup truck using one of those merging lanes. Don't forget, when approaching an intersection where the lights have gone out completely, treat the intersection as a four-way stop. Why did this old man casually drive into me in the parking lot and then try to lie and say I was speeding through?
It's my right of way. You're supposed to yield. I'm straight through.
A few moments later.
This lady runs a red light and proceeds to stop in the intersection. This person in the car thinks they're more important than everyone else. this Nissan driver cuts me off just before the on-ramp. This driver almost backed into me with my 4-day-old infant in the car, then drove on the wrong side of the road to avoid traffic. This distracted driver swerves into my lane. I honk and briefly pull off the road to avoid being hit. The most impatient driver of this video.
Look, it's got a thing on the oh. You're an absolute mate. You got a video of him?
Yeah. Pulling out without looking is definitely not a smart move.
Sure.
Mr. Green Light stuck on red for several cycles.
A few moments later. One eternity later.
Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.